Hi guys, please subscribe to my channel and my friendly channel named Boom Cricket before watching this video. And now let's get into the video. Top 10 Trending Technologies. Change is the only constant. This applies to your professional life as well. Upskilling yourself is a need nowadays. The reason is pretty simple: technology is evolving very quickly. I have listed the top 10 trending technologies, which are expected to acquire a huge market in 2020. So, let's make a New Year resolution to master any one of the below technologies. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, augmented reality and virtual reality, cognitive cloud computing, Angular and React, DevOps, Internet of Things, IoT, intelligent apps, apps, big data, RPA, robotic process automation. So, the countdown begins from here. 10. RPA, robotic process automation. Generally, any desk job in any industry involves tasks that are repetitive in nature and can be automated. RPA or robotic process automation allows you to automate such routine and repetitive tasks. You don't need to write any code to automate repetitive tasks. In 2020, the trend of bots and machine learning is only going to skyrocket, which means RPA will become an invaluable skill to have. 9. Big data. Big data refers to problems that are associated with processing and storing different types of data. Most of the companies today rely on big data and analytics to gain huge insight about their customer, product research, marketing initiatives and many more. For your surprise, big data led Germany to win the World Cup. Hadoop and Spark are the two most famous frameworks for solving big data problems. If you already have some knowledge of big data, splendid. If not, now is the time to start. 8. Intelligent apps, apps. Apps are pieces of software written for mobile devices based on artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, aimed at making everyday tasks easier. This involves tasks like organizing and prioritizing emails, scheduling meetings, logging interactions, content, etc. Some familiar examples of apps are chatbots and virtual assistants. As these applications become more popular, they will come with the promise of jobs and fat paychecks. 7. Internet of Things, IoT. Another buzzword that no longer remains a buzzword but has become a full-fledged technology ecosystem in itself. IoT essentially is connecting many devices and creating a virtual network where everything works seamlessly via a single monitoring center of sorts. IoT is a giant network of connected devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used in the environments in which they are operated. This includes everything from your mobile phones, refrigerator, washing machines to almost everything that you can think of. With IoT, we can have smart cities with optimized traffic system, efficient waste management and energy use. So, start thinking of some new excuse for coming late to the office other than traffic. 6. DevOps. This is the odd one out in the list. It is not a technology, but a methodology. DevOps is a methodology that ensures that both the development and operations go hand in hand. DevOps cycle is picturized as an infinite loop representing the integration of developers and operation teams by automating infrastructure, workflows and continuously measuring application performance. It is basically the process of continual improvement, so why not start with yourself? 5. Angular and React. Okay. Now we are getting into core tech. Angular and React are JavaScript-based frameworks for creating modern web applications. Using React and Angular one can create a highly modular web app. So, you don't need to go through a lot of changes in your code base for adding a new feature. Angular and React also allows you to create a native mobile application with the same JS, CSS and HTML knowledge. Best part: open source library with highly active community support. 4. Cognitive cloud computing. Cognitive cloud is an extended ecosystem of traditional cloud and cognitive computing. It's due to this, you can create cognitive computing applications and bring to the masses through cloud deployments. Cognitive computing is considered as the next big evolution in the IT industry. It converses in human language and helps experts in better decision-making by understanding the complexities of big data. Its market size is expected to generate revenue of $13.8 billion by 2020 and is one of the top 10 trending technologies to consider this year. Big brands such as IBM, Google, Microsoft, Cisco have already started implementing this next-gen tech to gear up for the upcoming market. 3. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual is real. VR and AR, the twin technologies that let you experience things in virtual, that are extremely close to real, are today being used by businesses of all sizes and shapes. But the underlying technology can be quite complex. Medical students use our technology to practice surgery in a controlled environment. VR, on the other hand, opens up newer avenues for gaming and interactive marketing. Whatever your interest might be, AR and VR must have skills if you want to ride the virtual wave. 2. Blockchain. This is the tech that powers Bitcoins, the whole new parallel currency that has taken over the world. Interestingly, blockchain as a technology has far-reaching potential in everything from healthcare to elections to real estate to law enforcement. Understand how blockchain works and your career is as sorted as the secure ledger this tech is based on. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI existed even before the internet was born, but it is now that the data processing and compute power backbone became strong enough to sustain an entire technology by itself. AI is everywhere today, from your smartphones to your cars to your home to your banking establishment. It is the new normal, something the world cannot do without. Get your hands dirty with AI and have a crystal clear career ahead of you.